Take care. Alright guys, so how's it going? We're late. Reasons. We're late here today at Roos Valley Classic Car Show. Let's see who's still here. Let's see what time it is. It's 9 o'clock. Let's go see who's here. Let's go. We have a Chevy Impala, a GMC Old Sierra, the ever old and reliable Volvo 240 Special Edition Classic, and a Chevy Caprice. Nice. What else is here? Check this out, guys. It's a 1966 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. Not that many ever made. Kind of a rare car. We have one more car left. Of course, my own. And then we're out of here. Let's do it. And last but not least, the 70s AMX in baby blue. Beautiful. Take care, guys. I'll see you this Saturday at the Cars and Coffee charity car show. Let's get into that one. Take care, guys.